The following video will provide a brief overview of the off-the-shelf TetraScience integration with Dotmatics. In this video, we'll be examining a plate reader workflow, but this is an integration that is capable of collecting, parsing, and entering data from almost any source, including instruments, software, and external sources such as CROs. We'll take a look at data flowing from the source, in this case a plate reader, into TetraScience, where it's standardized and then moved into multiple Dotmatics applications automatically. But first, let's look at a typical Dotmatics workflow involving a scientist who, without TetraScience, must perform several manual steps before an analysis can be performed. These include creating a study's experiment, loading raw data, and adding samples. In this case, a scientist may also have to manually manipulate raw data files into suitable formats for loading. For larger experiments with many plates, this becomes a time-consuming and repetitive process. With the TetraScience integration, this process can be entirely automated. A scientist can see their files uploaded, parsed, transformed, and processed into a Dotmatics experiment automatically and in real time. Scientists need only to put their plates on the reader and run the assay. The file will be saved directly to a network drive from the instrument. What you see here is mimicking that process. TetraScience recognizes that a new file has been uploaded and kicks off the automation. Here we see files that are stored in a network drive being uploaded to the cloud by TetraScience's directory watcher. From here, each file is validated for the right naming structure and metadata. Additionally, it's standardized and tagged with key metadata. Files are moved through the TetraScience data lake and ultimately made available to Dotmatics. If the user clicks on the file, the expanded view will provide a more detailed explanation of what happened at each step. Should bad data enter the system, that file will be rejected by TetraScience. Rest easy, users can ensure their data quality standards are always being met. Over in Dotmatics, we're now in studies. A user no longer has to spend time manually loading raw data and samples. The experiment will already be populated, and the scientist can move straight to their analysis. They can immediately begin to review and manipulate their results, add comments, and publish results to the project team. Because these files have been standardized by TetraScience, the scientist does not need to perform any manual manipulations, ensuring there is no chance of transcription errors. Removing the time-consuming steps means that scientists can focus on a deep understanding of their results. For example, watch as we use Vortex to select a few experiments and dive deep into those results. Through TetraScience's ability to automatically collect and standardize data, and Dotmatics' powerful informatics platform, scientists are able to process, analyze, and act on data faster than ever before.